Morning, dear students. Welcome to this assignment key discussion. Assignment 2 key of 8th class dated on 13th June 2020. Topic is from first unit grammar. From grammar, especially noun phrases, and in Roman number 2 noun phrases in apposition. Two parts. Here one sentences are given, 4 sentences are given, and here words are given in disorder in bracket. So we have to keep them in order, right? Now let us see first one. I bought dash. I bought dash. Here in bracket, beautiful, a, umbrella, red. So we have to keep them in order. Now let us see, I bought. So first we have to use a. Next we should select the word indicating quality, beautiful. After this quality, from given ones we should select color. A beautiful red. Beautiful says the quality of this one, and red says the quality of, color of umbrella. And now we have to write this umbrella. I bought a beautiful red umbrella. In this one, umbrella is a noun, and before this noun these words are used. That's why it is called noun phrase. A beautiful red umbrella, noun phrase. So in this phrase, you know very well, phrase means group of words that gives sense but not complete meaning. So this is noun, umbrella is noun, and this umbrella is qualified by these words, so it is noun phrase. Now let us see second one. We saw dash. Here words given in brackets are baby, a, elephants, couple. So now we should keep in order. We saw a couple, we saw a couple of baby elephants. We saw a couple of baby elephants, right? So here elephants is noun, and this noun is qualified by these words, the words which are used before this noun. That's why it is noun phrase. Now let us see third one. Our grandfather lives in dash. Here words given in bracket, big house, a, stone built. Now we should select first from these given ones. Size first we should write, after material we should write. Now the answer for this one is, our grandfather lives in a, big, so big indicates size, big, stone built house. So this house is a noun, so this noun is qualified by these remaining words, so it is noun phrase. Now let us see fourth one. Ramya has dash. The words given in brackets are nice, a, sari, silk. Here this indicates quality, right? This indicates material. So we should write this one in the beginning. Ramya has a nice silk sari. So sari is noun. This noun is qualified by these words, so it is noun phrase. So this part, noun phrase. Now let us see Roman number 2. Noun phrases in apposition. Noun phrases in apposition. Apposition means one phrase that refers to the noun which is used before it, that is apposition. Now let us see first one. Mahesh is my elder brother. He lives in Delhi. Two sentences are given, right? We can make these two sentences into one simple sentence by using noun phrases in apposition. See, Mahesh, comma, dash, lives in Delhi. Simply, instead of writing this full sentence, Mahesh, my elder brother. Mahesh, my elder brother lives in Delhi. Now this noun phrase in apposition, it refers to the noun which is used before it. What is used before it? Mahesh. The noun Mahesh is used before this one. So this is noun phrase in apposition. Now let us see second one. Sarojini Naidu was popularly known as the Nightingale of India. She wrote many poems in English. Sarojini Naidu. Here we can write so completely or we can write shortly. Sarojini Naidu, popularly known as the Nightingale of India. So that is noun phrase in apposition, or Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India. Same. So this one we can take Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India, or Sarojini Naidu. Even these words we need not use. Known as Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, the Nightingale of India, that itself is enough. Wrote many poems in English. Rabindranath Tagore is called Gurudev. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. So what is noun phrase in apposition for this one? Very simple. Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. So this is noun phrase in apposition. Fourth one, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It is located in Nepal. Mount Everest, the noun phrase in apposition is Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world is located in Nepal. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. So this is noun phrase in apposition, means it refers to Mount Everest. Fifth one, Kohli is Indian captain. He plays well. Kohli, now noun phrase in apposition, Indian captain. Kohli, Indian captain, plays well. So this is noun phrase in apposition, means it refers to Kohli. Indian captain refers to Kohli. Now let us see sixth one, last one. Modi is our Prime Minister. He is ruling our country well. Now Modi, noun phrase in apposition is Modi, our Prime Minister. Our Prime Minister is ruling our country well. Children, so like this we can write noun phrases in apposition. I hope you understood. Thank you. All the best.